The T Squad is Kirsty. You know what time it is. We dropping the tea, sipping that tea. Hey, receipts on the beat, we got the inside steep. Spill it, sip it, serve it, come get it with me. It's dropping the tea, dropping the tea.
Hey T Squad, it's Kirsty. Welcome back to Dropping the Tea. If your YouTube views have suddenly tanked, you're not alone. Creators across every niche commentary, gaming, lifestyle, true crime are watching their numbers nosedive, and no one seems to know why. Shorts are glitching, analytics are frozen, and videos that normally blow up are now crawling at a snail's pace. So what happened? Did YouTube break its own system, or are they quietly testing something big? Let's sip the real tea on what's really going on. Around mid-October, creators started panicking. Views were cut in half, shorts stopped getting pushed, and even high-performing videos suddenly flatlined. Reddit threads blew up, Discord groups melted down, everyone asking the same question: why did my views just die overnight? And spoiler alert, it's not your content. This is coming straight from the top of YouTube HQ. YouTube quietly changed how its recommendation system works. Before, the platform focused on clicks and quick views. Now, it's all about behavior patterns. That means YouTube's watching what people do after your video. Do they stay on YouTube? Do they watch another video? Do they subscribe or comment? If not, YouTube flags your content as low retention and stops recommending it. Even if your video's quality is high, if people click off too fast, the system buries it. And for shorts, they're now being tested on small audiences first, instead of being blasted to everyone. That's why you see that weird delay, no views for 48 hours, then suddenly thousands. Here's the messy part: shorts are getting mixed up with long-form videos in the feed. Some users are seeing shorts show up in the main video tab, which totally kills click-through rates. So your short might be fire, but if it's in the wrong feed, the algorithm thinks nobody cares. Then it stops pushing it altogether. YouTube also introduced a new smart distribution model, meant to share reach between small and big creators. Sounds nice, right? But the side effect is that everyone's views look lower because YouTube's trying to spread attention thinner. On top of that, YouTube's running a massive traffic cleanup. They're scrubbing fake or invalid views, stuff from bots, VPNs, or even ad blockers. If your audience uses ad blockers, and let's be honest, most people do, those plays might not count right now. So your analytics look worse, even though real people are still watching. Plus, the system's lagging. Creators are reporting view counts, updating hours, sometimes days late. It's not a drop in actual interest, it's a reporting glitch. Alright, here's what you should do while YouTube gets its life together. Keep posting. The worst thing you can do is disappear during an update cycle. Experiment with upload times. Evenings and weekends are performing better right now. Double down on your hooks. The first 3 seconds are everything the algorithm's obsessed with: early retention. Use community posts. Stay in your audience's feed even if your videos slow down. Focus on retention, not reach. Quality beats quantity during these recalibrations. This is a temporary storm, but the smart creators will ride it out stronger. Here's the truth: YouTube does this every couple years. They tweak the system, clean up data, and reset how discovery works. So while it feels like the world's ending, it's actually a recalibration. The creators who adapt now will explode later when the algorithm stabilizes. This is your chance to pivot, test new formats, and prep your channel for the next wave. So no, you're not shadow banned. YouTube didn't hate your channel overnight. They just broke the algorithm again. Keep calm, stay consistent, and keep your community active. Because when the platform finishes its tests, it's the creators who didn't quit who'll be the first ones back on top. If this helped you understand what's going on, like and subscribe. T Squad, we're riding out this storm together. Keep sipping that tea.